Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are again, Promenade Business Exchange, 8:30 in the morning in the Promenade Cafe in St. Boniface. Fantastic turnout. The tables are growing because the numbers are growing. As usual, new members came in. Everyone's getting onto the business directory on strandrich.com. The mood was really great. The buzz was fantastic. Everyone was high from the mixer that had gone on at Rockin' Gibraltar Wednesday at Fort Gibraltar. And we're carrying on now. Today's topic, we talk about how to keep the business exchange open 24/7. The way to do it is with a video about your business, about yourself, about how you satisfy the customers out there, and how you can help the community with your services, with your products. Getting online on a video can help you go 24/7, and we are here to help you to do that. Check out strandrich.com, business directory, and come and meet the people here next Friday, and every Friday, 8:30 a.m., Promenade Cafe. Thank you.
Join us next Friday at the Promenade Business Exchange, 8:30 a.m.